Oh, wait. That's delicious. Yeah. That's delicious. But I ain't eating no shit that I don't like, you hear me? Man. That's good. What's up, guys? So I am revealing the name of my new Traxxas RC car. So it's originally banded through Traxxas company, but I'm renaming it. I bought the shit, so I'm gonna rename it. It's gonna be the Roadrunner, and you'll see in probably about a few weeks or so why I'm gonna do some crazy stuff to it. But yeah, the Roadrunner is gonna be, I just feel like that's a great title. It's skinny, it's a little dune buggy type car, and I think that's kind of what Roadrunner represents. If y'all don't know what Roadrunner is, y'all living under a rock. I shouldn't even have to explain, but I'll put pictures in the video so you can see. So yeah, Roadrunner it is. It's gonna be crazy.